Okay, so today's random thing to do is talk to a chair. So, how's life? Yeah, that was a great answer. How'd you get on my bed? And why? Still, no answer. A little annoying. I would kind of like to have an answer to questions. I mean, really. You know, you don't have to be a jerk. You could just answer a question. Kind of common courtesy. I mean, really. You could say hi. Talk to me somewhat. I think you have a little problem with communication. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna go now.